Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is technical side in here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Half-Life 2 Episode 1 on Android completely from scratch, from downloading the right data files to running the game without crashes or missing texture or startup errors. This guide has you covered. So let's dive straight into the file manager and get it working. Alright, so first thing, we'll have to download some files. So go to Google Chrome. You'll find this link in the description or in the pinned comments. So this is the for Half-Life 2 Episode 1. Now we'll go to the latest versions. This main 27, but only the large files. Don't download this. The first one that has 2.3 megabytes. Don't download this. Only the 37 main and the 37 patch, those large files. This one and this one. I have already downloaded those files, so no need to do this again. Alright, I will skip this step. Started downloading, just cancel, and you will need this Z archiver. You will get it from the Play Store. This one, I will just open it. Need permissions. I will click here. For you, you will find those files in the download. For me, I transferred them onto this folder. It's called Half-Life. So I will extract this file. I will extract it right here. Alright, after finishing, I will go back. I will create a folder. Call it exactly like this: SRCENG. Okay. I will copy this file. I will back to main directory. Go to this file we have created. Paste it in here. Alright, let's pass the second file. Back to this file again. Pass it in here. Let's extract this file. Alright, so we'll copy this file, go to this folder again, paste it here. If you don't have search engine, go to Play Store, download it from here, click on download. See, you can download this from here. I already have it. Now go to search engine. So there is all this. Keep the dash, type game, space, episodic, space, slash, no, back, ground, no background level, space, high. System directory, select this folder, rceg, let's try launch. It's loading, give it some seconds. Let's give it a try.
Tell me, Dr. Freeman, if you can. You have destroyed so much. What is it exactly that you have created? Can you name even one thing? I thought not.
We'll see about that.
It has to be somewhere around here. Any dog? Dog, I think I found something. Drop what you're doing and help me over here. Oh my God! Gordon! I was so worried. Hey, the gravity gun. Give it to him, dog. There, Gordon. Dog's happy to see you. I can tell. Okay, dog. Go get the monitor set up so we can check in with my dad. He must be worried sick about us. He was so sure I wouldn't find you here. The Citadel's really coming apart.
As you see, the game works perfectly. No errors, nothing happens. It just works fine. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this. See you later. Bye bye.